बिल तो उसमें फाड़ रहे हो।
भाई बिल क्या,
अरे
बट वो इनिंग्स क्या खेला था यार,
एक बंदा खड़ा तो हुआ, वरना तो 150 पे निपट गए थे उस दिन।
150 पे तो नहीं
दिस
निपटे।
गाय ऋषभ पंत हैड द ऑडेसिटी टू से कि भाई मैं होता है तो 300 पार होता या फिर 150 पे आउट हो जाते। भाई 150 पे ही होते
या
यार।
फिर केएल राहुल नहीं खेलता ना अगर ऋषभ पंत होता तो।
वही तो बात है, नो वन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट विराट इनिंग्स, केएल राहुल ना खेलता।
Don't get emotional now.
Why
Don't
not
get
get emotional? Because
Don't get emotional.
the problem here is एक बंदा जिसने 500 के ऊपर रन करे,
ट्रिगर कर दिया मैंने, ट्रिगर
ठीक
कर
है,
दिया।
इतनी अच्छी कीपिंग करी when you had no one, और कुछ लोग आपके बिस्तर पे पड़े थे, और उसके बाद आप ये बोल रहे हो केएल राहुल ने हरा दिया। क्यों?
Less than 48 hours to go for the first test in Perth, and as promised, Love and I are here to discuss what should be India's playing 11 for that big game in Perth. Love, first of all, let us clarify that we are color coordinated just by coincidence, guys. We didn't plan this. But now, okay.
We didn't plan this because green plan कौन करता है?
Green तो मतलब Aussies का कलर हो गया एक तरीके से. So no. Let's, but blue भी है पीछे, blue भी है. But anyway, let's get right into that team, that 11, that India are gonna field.
And by the way, we haven't discussed anything.
But I'm
ये
sure
सिर्फ विश्वास करना है आपने।
विश्वास करो,
क्योंकि हम कह रहे हैं तो सच ही कह रहे हैं।
So the moment I walked into office, Love was like, भाई team 11 मत बताना मेरे को, आप अपनी करो मैं अपनी करूँ। मैं कहा yes,
Spontaneousness में मजा है।
that is the plan, and of course we'll have both our pointers why this is happening, why that is happening. But let's see, let's start with who are your openers going to be. Love,
क्या सिद्धांत, I feel कि openers में एक तो हमारा फिक्स्ड है यशस्वी जायसवाल। सेकंड कौन सा है आपका?
KL Rahul, man, everybody knows he's gonna open the innings now. I don't think it's secret anymore.
Yeah,
and I'm sure you are delighted that KL Rahul is getting another opportunity in this Indian Test side 11 at least.
पता मैंने आपसे क्यों पूछा?
क्यों?
Because I wanted you to say that KL Rahul is in the team and opening.
No, definitely. See, in terms of options, who else is there?
Yeah, there was Abhimanyu Ishwaran as well. And actually many people were talking about the fact that he should probably get that go ahead of KL Rahul, because Rahul has been playing below down the order in Test cricket for a while now.
And also Ishwaran has been knocking on the doors of this Indian side for the longest time.
But you know what? We can actually give Ishwaran a go ahead as well. अगर आपको राहुल नीचे भी रखना है, but then that will mess things up, यार.
When they put out statements like that KL Rahul is fit, whatever elbow issue he had, that is behind him and he's going to be fine for that first test.
Because
you know he's opening the innings.
He's opening the innings, yes, 99% that is going to happen.
Unless until he gets injured today.
But then
or tomorrow.
Don't say that.
I'm just saying that is what happens now. Once some player is slightly out of form, perhaps.
He's not out of form. He's in a better place than Rohit and Kohli combined. We have shown that to the viewers
in one of those videos. Pedigree, right? That is always with Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma.
No, I'll tell you what. I'll be brutally honest here. Virat and Rohit have a very good selling point. That's true.
You would say good PR, huh?
Very good PR.
No, but they have done well also for India.
They have done well. I agree.
And okay, we will keep debating this. Otherwise, this 11 will only become like KL Rahul for and against. And
why I say KL Rahul might be pushed below down the order is because of the fact that now Shubman Gill is injured, and you need your another number 3 for that opening test in Perth. So वहाँ पे क्या करोगे?
वहाँ पे ही पता है कौन खेल रहा है. He's another guy from Karnataka who's going to play for India. You know, they just put out a statement today, by the way, the BCCI, that Devdutt Padikkal has been added to the Border Gavaskar Trophy squad. So now you know, because this guy was playing the India A series versus Australia A, he scored 188, I think so. 88, well, not 188, 88. 88 for India in one of the innings. And I think he had a decent outing even in the simulation. Yeah, so perhaps.
And also, when he played for India against Australia, in that as well, he
was one of the better,
close to 150 runs. Over 150 runs.
One of the better batters. But India lost both games, so well. I think only 2 guys sort of scored runs for them to an extent. It was Dhruv Jurel and Devdutt Padikkal. Right. So if you are looking at it on those lines, there's little doubt with Shubman Gill gone. And probably, like you, who do you think?
I feel that number 3 would be Devdutt Padikkal only. But then I seriously have my doubts. Because see, which
LSG का सीजन याद आ रहा है आपको? LSG
घूम रहा है मेरे दिमाग में. 5 की एवरेज थी बंदे की 7 मैचेस में. But ठीक है, that's T20 cricket and he is in good form as far as Test cricket is concerned. But then suddenly, one down in Australia, if one of your wickets, I hope that's not KL Rahul, fall early on, you're virtually opening the batting.
Tomorrow we're
And
gonna...
suddenly when the ball is moving and we know how that Perth wicket behaves, Devdutt Padikkal will have something to prove there.
Yeah,
and
but
I seriously doubt because I haven't seen the best of him. Yes, in India he played those couple of knocks.
What if not Devdutt Padikkal? Who would have been your other option? I think
that's the problem now with Shubman Gill not there. I think this looks like a very depleted batting.
And Gill for me is a great batter on bouncy pitches.
Absolutely.
I think his gameplay, square of the wicket is too good. And
I think against spinners as well. In this home season where other batters were falling,
we saw. Stood up. By the way, Gill made his Test debut in Australia last time around, right? And we saw what he did. Very underrated. Yes, Rishabh Pant gets talked about so often, but Gill also played that vital 91, if I'm not wrong, in that Gava Test.
91.
So
Devdutt
Padikkal is going to replace a guy who's been part of this Indian team for quite some time. Is expected to do well. But वही है यार कि India doesn't have too many options in that area.
So यही मैं कह रहा था.
And I genuinely don't want Virat Kohli to now bat at the order.
Not at all.
Like, please just give him number 4 and keep him there. Please don't play him at number 3.
Exactly. So मेरा point यहीं पे आ रहा था कि if you play Abhimanyu Eshwaran, if he opens the batting, KL Rahul at number 3.
Doubt it. Not gonna.
Even I think it's
because
not going to
happen.
KL
Rahul has opened in the past. He was, you remember, his partner Rohit Sharma in number of innings back in the day, and he has done this before. So I think Gambhir and company are also thinking about high experience, and they are currently under pressure after what happened with New Zealand. So they need to really do well in that first test to put those early jitters to bed, because playing in Australia in a 5-match series, we know how difficult it can be, especially after this invincible Indian side is coming after a big series loss against New Zealand.
Right, and also
so 1, 2, 3 done.
Also the fact Siddhant, बहुत सारे ना हमारे को hints अभी practice में से ही मिल रहे थे इंडिया के.
हाँ, correct.
So when you had that slip quadrant ना, और practice जो कर रहे थे, it was Virat Kohli there.
फिर तो सरफराज
यशस्वी जायसवाल, हाँ सरफराज भी था.
But he was dropping catches and they were laughing and to an extent I feel.
Dhruv Jurel और Padikkal भी उसी में थे जो constantly practice
slip quadrant. Yes. Okay. Anyway, let's 1, 2, 3. I think we are on the same page.
Fourth is also done. Virat
Kohli, Rishabh Pant, 4, 5. The less said, the better. We know they are going to be there. 4, 5 done. अब बताओ number 6 कौन है?
मेरे लिए देखो, मुझे लगता है 6 और 7 always one. मेरे को क्या लगता है? It has to be like that. You need to have your all-rounders there. So I'm giving a debut cap to Nitish Kumar Reddy at number 6.
Okay, I think our positions. Okay, let's talk 6, 7, 8 because I think our positions might differ for these players.
Let's do that. So Nitish Kumar Reddy, Dhruv Jurel, and I'll play Ashwin.
Okay.
You don't have Ashwin.
No, I might have Ashwin. How do you know? I might have changed my mind.
Okay.
Even though I believe this team management, somehow maybe with Gambhir, it may change overseas. But earlier, all these Indian touring sides would play Jadeja as the lone spinner always.
Yeah.
And maybe it's time to look at a different option. Look at a different option. Yeah, Ashwin. So, okay, my number 6 is Dhruv Jurel. I think what we have seen of him in that England series and what we missed during the New Zealand series and what we saw in that India A Australia A match, the second one, where this guy scored 250s if I'm not wrong in both innings. Yeah. He was the best player for India A. So, a little doubt in my head that Dhruv Jurel gets that go ahead at number 6.
Dhruv Jurel is playing for sure, but 6, 7, I can also toss it.
Yeah. That 6, 7, 8. That's why I'm saying 3 players, 6, 7, 8. So Dhruv Jurel bhi hai. I am also giving a debut cap to Nitish Kumar Reddy. दे देते हैं because all-rounder sort of a guy who had actually, by the way, enjoyed a great time during the simulation also. Yeah. And to add to that, he will add batting value. I think that Shardul Thakur factor we had in that previous tour, I think maybe with Nitish Kumar Reddy, he's a better batter than Shardul Thakur.
Absolutely.
But so bowling wise, I think I'll rate both of them equally.
Shardul Thakur was surprise package when it came to
Yeah,
batting.
yeah. Also,
Now,
the
we
kind of
all
partnerships
knew-
he got with Washington Sundar.
Yeah, so we all knew the fact that yes, he's not mug with the bat, but then to
Yeah.
bat like that, that was a surprise. But with Nitish Kumar Reddy, you know that that guy brings in a lot of fire with the bat,
Yeah.
and we saw that in T20 internationals as well.
I just hope he doesn't play those reverse slaps and all like
I don't mind that.
becomes another Glenn Maxwell in a test side
I
and
don't
then
mind
throws
that.
his wicket away.
I think
Please don't. T20s अलग है भाई, Test cricket आराम से
पंत
खेलना.
करता है ना.
So Pant is a different guy in Test. Yeah,
Let
I
him.
think Pant is far better in Test cricket than limited overs format.
That obviously is true.
And I think it's the other way for Nitish Kumar Reddy, but we haven't seen much of him in Test cricket.
Exactly.
So
Let him find his feet.
Can't say that actually, so I'll take those words back. But Nitish Kumar Reddy and Dhruv Jurel 6-7, number 8 या 7 जो मिला आपको, number 7 sorry, 6, 7, 8 हो गया ना? हाँ.
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
देखो, I am completely in for Ashwin,
हाँ.
and if by chance they want a lefty, I think Washington Sundar has to be that guy.
Lefty.
I'll always be that guy जो form पे जाएगा.
So they've already got 3 lefties. No, they've got Yashasvi Jaiswal, Devdutt Padikkal, and Rishabh Pant.
No, lefty. I mean, if they want someone to bowl.
No, someone to bowl. Washington Sundar is an off spinner, so वो similar Ashwin. So
yes.
Yeah, don't get confused, love. It's okay. Yeah. It can. Why Stranger Things का music track क्यों हो जाती है आपने?
Because मेरे को strange feeling आई थी ना बहुत.
No, but Washington Sundar, yes, can be an option, but let's face it, guys. If they are playing just one spinner of all of them, it's going to be a toss-up between Jadeja and Ashwin. And even though we discussed this previously that Ashwin doesn't get the nod ahead of Jadeja because of his batting and all, because now you have Nitish Kumar Reddy also there, and you will have one guy in the bowlers who can also bat to an extent among the pacers, and I'm going to come to that. I think it's time to play Ashwin, and I'll tell you why. Nathan Lyon.
But first, tell me one thing.
Yeah.
How that switch suddenly?
Because I'll tell you why.
A couple of days back,
I looked at
going
Nathan
all
Lyon.
out for Jadeja to be that.
You know, I watched
I
watched the highlights from the Pakistan Australia game last year. Okay, in Perth.
Because Nathan Lyon is anyway.
No, Nathan Lyon, forget that. That pitch was virtually it was so difficult to play that bouncy balls on that Perth wicket after third day or something. And I realized that Ashwin, with his height, with the bounce, because Nathan Lyon also fetches that, and the fact that there are 3 guys, left-handers, Usman Khwaja, there's Travis Head, there is Alex Carey, and not to forget, Ashwin has travelled Steven Smith also in the past.
He was his bunny once.
I think we ought to play Ashwin because अब batting के ऊपर आप अगर आप extra bowler खिला रहे होते and there was no Nitish Kumar Reddy but an extra 4th pacer perhaps, then I would have said कि play Jadeja because थोड़ी batting तो चाहिए आपको lower down the order.
Batting है Ashwin तो batting देगा
But now that you have got Nitish Kumar Reddy also there, and because my number 9 is going to be Harshit Rara, who's no mug with the bat, who can bat really well, who can hit those big shots. He's actually more like Shardul Thakur. Like if we have to call it
True that.
He's more like Shardul Thakur.
So here's the thing. We discussed this in the previous discussion as well. But then पहले एक बार अश्विन का एक बार खत्म कर दें चीज. So why we are saying Ashwin over Jadeja? Yes, he will attract that bounce. He can actually rip apart opponents, to say the least, if the pitch is turning. And mind you, Perth अगर turn होने लग गया bounce के साथ, graveyard हो जाता है वो. And also the fact that the team management has always said that भाई Jadeja batting के लिए चाहिए, and we had proved this in one of our videos stats के साथ कि when it comes to batting as well, Ashwin has more runs than Jadeja and also has more hundreds than Jadeja in Test cricket. So that also goes out of equation, right?
Yeah, but if you look at on that, I disagree to an extent because Jadeja has improved immensely in the last 3-4 years. Before that, he wasn't batting so well.
So improvement or form की बात अगर करेंगे,
No, but
Washington Sundar खेलना चाहिए.
I am talking about the fact that maybe on this surface you need Ashwin over Jadeja because of the extraction. Like Jadeja is really good when it's turning a lot and with his subtle variations. But Ashwin with his clever variety
मैं बस एक बात बोलता
and with his tricky, I'm saying off spinner, yeah. Nathan Lyon, we have seen what Nathan Lyon is also tall. What Nathan Lyon does on a Perth wicket, I think if you look at it, I think like for like Ashwin needs to play. Washington Sundar is also tall.
What I'm saying is there shouldn't be any comparison. There shouldn't be any discussions. Your number one spinner has to be in your playing 11, no matter the surface, no matter the match. हम 2 वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल्स हार चुके हैं इसी वजह से.
मैं तो इसलिए खिला रहा हूं कि now you have batting cover also. Because
but Ashwin gives you batting. He's a better batter than Jadeja in Test cricket.
No, I disagree.
Arey, he has numbers to prove.
No, he might have numbers to prove for it, but if you look at the last few years, that Jadeja has been definitely.
Arey, but last few years,
Jadeja has been sent up the order. Also, he's been sent at number 5, and Pant was not there. So that's why would you send a mug with like if
that happened in India? प्लस अगर आप फॉर्म की बात करोगे फिर तो वॉशिंगटन सुंदर खिला लो ना.
फॉर्म की बात है, वॉशिंगटन सुंदर नहीं खेल रहा है, वो तो हमें ही पता है.
हाँ, तो फिर if you are saying कि भाई जडेजा is improved as a batter.
Washington Sundar by the way is also tall, so he also adds value like that. But yeah, among these two, हमारा कितना ही डिबेट हो जाए, we both agree on that aspect कि Ashwin should play ahead of Jadeja for this game at least.
चलो agreed तो है हम.
हाँ, अब पढ़ते नहीं तो ये डिस्कशन चलता ही रह जाएगा.
हर्षित राणा का बाय द वे आई एम रीइटरेटिंग दिस फैक्ट कि उसकी डोमेस्टिक में जो फर्स्ट क्लास एवरेज है विद द बैट दैट इज क्लोज टू 43. हर्षित राणा
which is higher than Ruturaj
Gaikwad की 41 है, but I think that's not a fair comparison as well because Gaikwad की innings बहुत ज्यादा हैं, so that your average tends to decline, but then that's okay. But just to say that कि भाई बैटिंग आती है बंदे को. हाँ जी, तो इसके बाद
अपना बुमराह, like very little doubt, he's the captain, guys, so he will have to be there
because Siddhant, see, somewhere in this series, let's say India is leading 2-0, so बुमराह कहीं तो आपको रेस्ट देना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है
पूरे 5 मैच खिला दोगे.
yeah, like that depends where you might be saying 2-0.
he's very prone to
I think this is gonna be the most difficult Border Gavaskar trophy for India. लास्ट वाले में एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं थी. we sort of exceeded everything last time around.
36 ऑल आउट विराट भी चला गया.
मतलब सब 36 ऑल आउट पे सबने कहा भाई घुटने टेक दिए हैं, हम हार रहे हैं 4-0 and then we went to 1. So let's just say कि, and you know, no, everybody talks about those wins in MCG and at Gabba. Let's not forget how we fought it out in Sydney. And this guy named Ashwin, who was also an important part of that fight back, where they both played out. I don't know what 140 odd overs India played in that last innings to save that test match.
But
so
that's the thing now. Ashwin has to constantly prove that he still belongs to that playing 11.
So
I think that's really sad.
I'm saying बुमराह को खिलाओ, बिल्कुल खिलाएंगे. बुमराह खेलेगा, ये तो मतलब हम बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम शिफ्ट हो गए अश्विन पे दोबारा. I just wanted us to come back to Bumrah conversation. I think Bumrah should play all 5 tests if he's fit, because this is make or break series for that World Test Championship final. There's a lot riding on this series. India needs to win at least 4 tests to keep matters in their own hands. Otherwise, we'll have to depend on other results, and most probably we won't qualify if we don't win it like that.
That's true.
But 4 जीतना भी बहुत भारी काम है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में against this side. I'll be raring to go at
ड्रॉ से भी काम नहीं चलेगा. बात ये है, ड्रॉ से भी नहीं चलेगा. ड्रॉ तो मुश्किल ही है कि होगा.
Okay.
But then सिद्धांत, एक मुझे अभी बुमराह पे ना थोड़ा सा इस चीज का डाउट है.
क्या?
The fact that he is very injury prone first. We saw that in the last Border Gavaskar Trophy as well. जो वो लास्ट मैच नहीं खेला था, जो Gabba Test we won. और वी हैव सीन कि भाई उसको जाते जाते कुछ तो होता है, निगल होता है, कुछ होता है, and you can't take that risk with him suddenly.
No, that's okay. I genuinely feel
you can't push him. That is why all 5 matches.
That is why he was rested from that second game, na?
You saw his form dip in that New Zealand series in India. I think that was because of the fact
one match, second match he did not play. One match.
But then वो बहुत मुझे लग रहा है overuse हो रहा है.
Third match he did not play. Yeah.
वो overuse हो रहा है.
No, I think Bumrah bowling in conditions which are favorable for pacers, bhai,
because जो action है, I think I was listening to Shoaib Akhtar as well, so he was also of the same view कि उसका जो action है उसमें वो इतने matches constantly नहीं खेल सकता है.
No, but that is why they'll give him rest after this series. फिर बस चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी सीधे खिलाओ. फिर बस सीधे चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी खिलाओ. बीच में जो लल्लू पंजू कोई सीरीज होगी 1-2 उन्हें नहीं खिलाना है.
I'm really scared for
ठीक है. Anyway, Bumrah number 10 for us, number 11 loves.
I think it has to be Siraj for me.
Yeah, I have also picked Siraj, even though there's a lot of chatter about Prasidh Krishna also, because bouncy wicket, the kind of pace he extracts, the kind of bounce he gets. because he bends the bat better than Siraj that way. But Siraj has prior experience in Australia. At one point, even though he made his Test debut in that same series last time around Border Gavaskar Trophy, he was leading that Indian pace attack. So I genuinely don't see Siraj not playing, and Siraj Bumrah combination along with Harshit Rana is what I'm looking at. The trifecta of pacers that will be there, and in addition, you will have Nitish Kumar Reddy as your fourth pace bowling option.
Yeah, because to start with, you have to go with your favorable duo. If by chance things go,
then you have other options. You have other
options ढूंढो, but to start
then
with,
आप क्या पता शमी को भी you will say कि भाई उसको ही भेज दो Australia.
Shami, let's see what happens with Shami.
But love, by the way, I want to bring this up. Australia are ready. By the way, हम इंडिया की कितनी ही बात करें, this series, let us be crystal clear. Australia are gonna come hard at us.
We are underdogs.
I just saw that video recently, yesterday or day before. These Aussie guys were asked who's that one Indian player they would want in that Australian side. Okay, this guy Mitchell Marsh. Mitchell Marsh said Rishabh Pant. Okay, Scott Boland said Jasprit Bumrah. Nathan Lyon said Virat Kohli. Travis said Rohit Sharma. You know what Pat Cummins said?
What?
No one. That guy. No, but that guy is so cold, man. You remember the conversation?
He actually said, does that.
It'll be great for us to silence that huge crowd at
1.4 billion Indians.
And at Ahmedabad also, he said it is great atmosphere when you have that big crowd, but nothing better than silencing that big crowd. And that guy did that. So yeah, Pat Cummins से थोड़ा डर के रहिए, थोड़ा सा मतलब
डर के कह रहे KKR ने हराया ना उसको फाइनल, तभी वो यही बोल के ऐसा
KKR ने हराया फाइनल. IPL अरे IPL हो गया भाई, अभी IPL भी आ रहा है. ऑक्शन
ये जो वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल वाला आपने याद दिला के वो करा ना, उससे IPL गया ठीक है, लेकिन वो जो चीज है अपने पास वो
भाई अभी नवंबर
19
कल जब था तो मैंने वो इतने लोगों की पोस्ट देखी. they were like after one guy specially, okay, among all Indian cricketers, and he's going to open the innings most probably. You know who it is? Poor guy got trolled for, like, even though he scored the 50. KL Rahul has been trolled endlessly for that one knock. Anyway,
come on. Since we are talking about this and you have brought it up, भाई मेरे को एक बात बताओ, ओपनिंग में आके तो केएल राहुल पुल शॉट खेलते हुए आउट हो गया था, ठीक है, रैश शॉट खेलते हुए ट्रेविस हेड ने केएल राहुल की कैच पकड़ी थी. When you are 80 for 2,
मेरे सूर्य कुमार यादव, अरे भाई
मैं कह रहा हूँ जब
there is this guy by the way who made a threat कि किन ने हमें हराया वो मैच, and then one of them have put कुलदीप यादव पिक्चर, कह रहे इसे नहीं भूल सकते, कह रहे इसने भी अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया, इसको भी पकड़ो.
नहीं 80 for 2 थे, आपने एक जरा सी बॉल पे निक देके तो केएल राहुल ही आउट हुआ था.
By the way, I think the biggest, we forget the kind of impact Shreyas Iyer had in that World Cup last 4-5 games before that finals. If you look at his knocks, if I'm not wrong, all 4 were 50 or 50 plus scores in the previous 4 games before that Australia final.
Okay, but my point over here is, I think Shreyas Iyer की बात है.
I think Virat Kohli was not the key in that game. I think Shreyas Iyer was, and when he got out, मतलब यार Rahul also, I don't know how to rate it.
नहीं यार, मतलब आप मुझे बताओ किसी ने परफॉर्म नहीं करा, बट एवरीवन जो मतलब बिल तो उसमें फाड़ रहे हो.
वो इनिंग्स क्या खेला था यार,
बंदा खड़ा तो हुआ, वरना तो 150 पे निपट गए थे उस दिन.
150 पे तो
दिस गाय ऋषभ पंत हैड द ऑडेसिटी टू से कि भाई मैं होता तो 300 पार होता या फिर 150 पे आउट हो जाते. भाई 150 पे ही होते यार,
फिर केएल राहुल नहीं खेलता ना अगर ऋषभ पंत होता तो.
वही तो बात है. नो वन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट विराट इनिंग्स. KL Rahul ना खेल.
Don't get emotional.
Why not get emotional? Because
don't get emotional.
The problem here is एक बंदा जिसने 500 के ऊपर रन करे,
ट्रिगर कर दिया मैंने, ट्रिगर कर दिया.
इतनी अच्छी कीपिंग करी when you had no one, और कुछ लोग आपके बिस्तर पे पड़े थे, और उसके बाद आप ये बोल रहे हो KL Rahul ने हरा दिया. Don't get to that level. Why only KL Rahul?
Wow, this was epic. मजा आ गया. मतलब कि ऐसा एकदम blatantly सब कुछ भाई ने कुछ छोड़ा ही नहीं, like he's just put it out there. Anyway, on that count, I'll leave this conversation. KL Rahul और लव का साथ बना रहे हमेशा, यही चाहते हैं हम. Any which way, you guys let us know in the comments what you make of this India 11, and if there are any changes you'd make to it, because let's be honest, 90% of this lineup will stay. But if there's 1 or 2 changes that you ought to make to this lineup, who's that going to be? And yeah, Abhimanyu Ishwaran fans, I feel sorry for you because नहीं खेल पाएगा यार, सब डेब्यू नहीं करेगा. But do let us know in the comments and अपना प्यार देते रहिए हमें. Please like, share, subscribe.
Yes.
Because बहुत मजा आ रहा है आप लोगों के कमेंट्स पढ़ के हमारी आईपीएल वाली वीडियोस में. It's so much fun reading those
IPL
comments.
से ज्यादा IPL ऑक्शन में तो आ रहा है.
IPL auction भी आ रहा है, and we'll be there. We'll be there all day with you on Sunday and Monday to bring it to you, to discuss whether these are great picks, not so great picks, whatever. Everything we'll talk about under the sun. So stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe. Subscribe. वो बटन आपको दिख रहा है बीच में, उसे प्लीज
लाल रंग का होगा वहाँ पे.
Thank you so much.